Morning. Good morning, everybody. If you can hear me, good morning, wherever you are joining us from. This is Solution live in Lagos, and of course, starting today's activity, that's the money market review for today. So we're going to be reviewing some instruments together this morning, and the aim is to see what they will likely become probably before the end of the week or even today, as this day. And of course, I'm going to be starting with a currency pair. Now, I'm going to try as much as possible to look at a currency, at least one currency, at least one commodity, at least one indices. Okay. So I think I can as well start with currency. And the one I'll be looking at first of all is maybe Euro USD or Euro Pound or even GU. Okay. Let me start with Euro Pound. Now, based on what I have here, There was a class I held on Tuesday where you have where I have this buy stop. We actually had a sell somewhere around here. That one hits take profit. But of course, the the buy stop is still pending, so I might as well delete it right now so that we can objectively look at what this market will do for today. So I'm going to take this template straight away to candlestick. Templates. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, so permit me. Apologies for that short distance. Let me see a comment from everyone. If my voice is good enough, please signify. And of course, if my voice is not good enough, I might as well maybe do a little bit of adjustment. But as of now, let's look at what euro pound will most likely become probably for today or for the rest of this week. Now, objectively, if you look at the daily bar of euro pound, you see that the price has been down. And right now, the price is playing around a key support level. Now, a break of this support level will spell a doom for euro pound. That means the price will most likely jeopardize. Okay, so we can see that from the daily bar. Now, if we zoom in closely enough, we can see that since this is a very key level, in fact, if we even open another euro pound just to check what I'm about to give you, euro pound again, and let's apply a simple indicator that I have here to just give us an objective view on the bar, on the daily bar. Okay, so that's the daily bar also. You can see that it's a proven support level have been tested 5 times, right? So if you have something like this, it tells you that this particular instrument is on a very key support level. Now, a break of it is going to spell doom, like I said earlier. But do you think it's going to break it? I don't think so. I don't really think so, because if you look at what the bars are doing, we have seen each time price gets to that place, we see either a bullish engulfing in range or a bullish engulfing in body. Okay, it happens somewhere around here. We can see one bullish. I can begin to point them to you right now. If I go to say arrow and I pick this arrow, we can see a bullish engulfing right there, right? Even though it's partial in this case, but in this case, in this scenario, we have a full one in range. Then again, as if we go to the front a little bit, you can copy this and duplicate to somewhere. I'm going to just get back to that level. Yeah. Somewhere around here. We also see that. So we have seen 3 solid bullish engulfing at that level. And at the moment, on this same daily bar, we currently have what we call an inside bar. Okay. Like a baby candle inside a mother. Right. Anytime you have this kind of situation or this kind of scenario, you should be thinking of what to do. So this is more like things waiting to happen. So I feel that the price is currently around that range, and all we can do is now distill down to smaller time frames. Okay, so it is possible that this thing might still collapse to this last line. That's the last line standing. So if anything you want to do now, your stop loss, whether you're going to go to smaller time frame or whatever, your stop loss should be way below this proven support level. That means you could use something like this as your stop loss. That's this price 0.84970 to be our stop loss, something like that. Okay, let's say we're even dragging below that level, something like this. So we could use this price as our, that's what we call stop loss for any trade you want to take today. Okay, that's if you are taking a buy. Now let's now distill down to maybe 4 hours to see if there are buy opportunities. Now, right now, there is none. Okay, the price is just playing fiddle around this place. So what we can currently see is a range. Okay, so and the range, there are opportunities. Right, so we are waiting for a break above that zone, and maybe we should just use a white background. If I just go down a little bit to let me see if I can just go to properties. and see if I can just distill down to say color scheme black on white, and then I change this value to bull candle green and bear candle red, so that we can just quickly see at a glance what the candles look like inside that range. Now, what I'm going to do is to come here and change the indicator value for this breakout arrow to input colors. It shouldn't be none, really. I don't know if I can just change this value to green. I don't know, so that I can look at what's going on there. Then I can change this one to probably red. Just want to see the arrows again. Okay, for red, it's going to be for sell. Okay, so sell it is. Now, so based on what we have here, we have a range right now for 4 hours. And of course, we can go straight down to maybe H1 and also look at it closely, still on the range. So what it means is that a breakout of this range right now is going to be for us, okay? Breakout in the sense that if we have any candle close outside of this, remember we can adjust. So we can even adjust to this level, okay? But then let's leave it as it is. So let's look at for, this is 1 hour. And of course, this is 30 minutes. Time frame, and of course this is 15 minutes time frame. So but we're not going to go that low. We're not going to go that low to 15 minutes, or except you want to say, okay, I want to just jump into it even in 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes we can be looking to buy at this level. So what we're going to do now is to see if we can also draw Fibonacci to see what this price might do. Let me just quickly go back to 1 hour and make adjustment, and then I can draw, say, from this level down to this low. So even if we're going to take a buy now, this is what we're going to close our trade at 61.8. Okay, that's what our take profit can be. Because if this price is going to go up, then it's going to hit a kind of like a resistance around this level. So right now we can, this is still 1 hour, so we can wait for a breakout. And if you don't want to wait for a breakout, then we can pick a buy stop at maybe this right price, that's 0.85180. That's because it is a price outside of those bounds. 0.85180. So let's say we are doing buy stop. Let me just come here, hit that sell limit. So we need to just come around and click on new order. Follow me. Let's do this together. New order on Euro Pound, really. New order, then we pick the lot size you want. Don't forget, you can choose the lot size that is okay for your account. So I'm going to go with this smaller lot. And then I'll pick, instead of instant execution, I'll pick pending order. Then I'll choose the right one, which is buy stop. Buy stop is that I'm waiting for the price to break out of this range. Okay. So let's go ahead and pick this price, 0.85180. 0.8518. Now, my voice is loud enough. I want people to begin to tell me, I can't hear you, 0.8518. You can even see the way I'm even inputting it into my into my chart. Okay. So make sure you do your own so that we can do this together. Okay, so the take profit, like I said before, is going to be around 0.8344. Apologies for that break in transmission. Just going to attend to that call. 0.85344. 0.85344. And my stop loss can be below 0. That's below this level. I remember we even set a stop loss bar, right? So our stop loss should be around 0.84966 or thereabout. So we can just use that same stop loss, 0.84966. So what I've just done is, let me see if I can just share another screen. Okay. Let me just close this one time. Close. I pick let me share my screen so that a clean screen, whiteboard. So what I did was to pick a trade at 0.85. Let me check. 0.85, 180, 0.8512, which is Euro pound, Euro GBP. Please follow. Buy stuff. Okay, then I'll take profit. So this is entry. Then this is take profit at 0.85344 and stop loss at 0.84966. That is it for Euro pound. Hope you got it. Can I move on? Hope you haven't forgot what you promised us in Benin about the advanced class. I haven't forgotten. Who is asking what time frame? Kelly, I did hear you. You don't need time frame for this. You just need to take the trade since it's a pending order. Okay, but then I'm looking if it is to suit your purpose. I'm actually using 1 hour and I pick my range from H4. Okay, that's enough. All right, so we can move on to the next instrument. So you can just go ahead and please click on place. Let me share my screen again. Please. If it is saying invalid, means it took too long to enter this trade. So mine is telling me invalid. If your own goes in, it's fine. Okay, so I think my own is because of spread, right? So, but then if it breaks out of that level, that's if it can do close outside of this box, then I'll pick a buy. So go ahead and do your trade. Now let's go on to the next one. Any questions so far? Any question at this junction? None. So let's go to the next instrument, and that could be USD card. You can just look at USD card closely this morning. I actually like trading this one. So let's look at a very simple view of USD card. Now, based on what we have here, we have a downpour, I think, on Friday. I think it's because that happened. So we can pick it from this level to this low of the downpour. And the range I can see here is that's what I can see from here is that if the price gets to this 61, we just break down and go back to continue this move. So as of now, I think buy is still good enough. Instant buy order is still good enough. Okay, so we can just enter a buy instantly. But of course, remember that anytime the price gets to that 61.8 level, we can close it. So buy is good enough for USD card. Instant buy is good enough for this one. Then we can target this. That's about 42 pips or 40 pips there about for our profit. So go ahead and place it an instant buy USD card and target 40 pips. Now your stop loss can be below the low of this level. That's your stop loss can be around stop loss. And our take profit can be beyond this one anyway. I'm just telling you that those are options. Okay, around 61 is good enough to take profit and move on. All right, so let's go to okay. Apologies. transmission. I think it's just due to internet. Hardware. Place a buy. I can see a lot of people. I can see Olorun Shola or Shatime. Why? Or Shatime. Olorun Shola, good morning. I can also see Monica. Monica, good morning. These are the people I can see and that I'm greeting. So greetings all the way from Lagos, people. Okay, I'm giving you guys a shout out. Right. So Monica, I hope you have taken the trade. Monica, have you taken that trade? Have you taken buy on USD card? Monica, I'm speaking to you. Just give me a wave if you are taking that trade. If you have not taken it, go ahead and take it. It's not enough to just be in my class and not make money. So Olushola, have you taken the trade? Give me a wave if you have USD card. Buy. Just give me a wave if you know you have done that. If you have taken the trade, give me a wave. If you have not taken it, don't do anything. Anyways, go ahead and do something. Those are the people I could see immediately. But then, of course, I can as well, also give a shout out to the name on top here, which is Imo Udo, right? Imo Udo, welcome. Isaac Ajo, welcome. Now, let's go back to what we were discussing. I said buy USD card, Abi. Okay, so buying is already, entry profit. And of course, let's look back at Euro Pound. Okay, so Euro Pound also is mostly have triggered for some. Of course, we're looking to buy that one also. Now, let's look at Euro USD very fast, very fast. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Okay, let's bring it to chart. Based on what I can see here, Euro USD have just close this one. We don't need it anymore. We don't need that trade anymore. Those are straps we set last week when we're doing some training. So based on what I can see on this Euro USD also, I expect a retracement because the price has really gone so wild, right? And the past few days. But then Euro USD still have potential to go up. Don't forget that. So like I always say, or like I've been saying for the past few weeks, so as of now, though, there's no trade on Euro USD. So we can't trade a sell and we can't trade a buy. So let's keep that and go to gold. Right, very fast, very fast. I want to be very fast this morning and look at a lot of things. Now for gold, I'm gonna go with sellers. Okay, even though we have seen if you look at a very wide time frame like monthly chart, I was actually looking at this one this morning. I see that gold has never been to this level in its lifetime, right? So if you look at monthly chart, you see that gold got to this level for the first time in history of this chart. So it means that by and large, gold has broken all protocols, okay, and has broken all resistance. And even on weekly charts, it has also, done something like that. So I think gold is good enough to, return to where it's coming from, right? Even if it's going to continue to go up, it can't just continue to go up for life. There will always be retracement, okay? There will always be what? So we saw some retracement from this level, and of course that's the largest one that we've got as far as the history of this chart is concerned. And let me see if I can just move this. We also saw some little bit of retracement around this level. I can squeeze this in, just squeeze in to fit this level. We also saw some retracement on this level. Those are retracement levels. And now that gold has broken protocols, okay, you can see retracement there too. So this is a protocol broken. So all protocol, I don't know how to say it, all right? This is a very strong resistance that has been broken. So I'm expecting a retest, all right, of this level. So I'm expecting that the price will return to this level or even on weekly chart, all right? So if we not go back to daily chart, we are looking to come back to this level, right? So we're looking to do. We are expecting price to return to $2,000 thereabout, or about $2,070. So that said, we are looking at for candles that can give us a clear right on top, and one of them is this inside bar. So a trade below this level today. Let me just give you that a trade below this level. That anytime you see a bearish candle, maybe on 1 hour that go below that level, you can sell, right? So that means we are expecting. You can even see it. We have seen a lot of signals that price actually wants to go down gold. Okay, this is one of them. That's a gravestone, right? And anytime you see a gravestone in the market, based on candlestick formation, you should know that price really wants to go down. So if you give it to me, I'm going to like that if there's money in your account, you can just go ahead and place a sell directly on gold. So just do that and use this stop loss. Okay, use this high as your stop loss. All right, and of course you can target anything you want up to this level. So this gives us a better risk reward ratio as far as I'm concerned today. And of course, that's what I'm looking at for this week. I'm looking for a sell of gold for this week, right? I'm looking for a sell. That's what I'm looking at. All right. So this gives us a better risk reward ratio today. That's about if it goes wrong on 0.01, it can give us minus 29,000. If it goes right, it can go above 100,000. That's about 165,000. So that's more than maybe more than 5 risk reward ratio. That's about 1 to 5. So that gives us a better clip, okay, a better trade opportunity. Good. Now let's go straight to maybe crude oil and look at what crude oil is saying very fast, very fast, very fast. Crude oil, actually there was a gap down this morning, right? I don't know. I think crude oil might just retrace back to some levels and begins to go down again. So I'm still a bearish bias for crude oil, but we never got there. Let's check this one out. Okay, price is currently retracing back to that level. Hold on, let's look at it from this perspective also. Broken it down code. Let's look at it from this perspective also. Okay, so well, this might just be I cannot tell you to buy directly. I cannot. Okay, but then if it is what it is, then price might just be on the way back to this level. It's a down from. So let's go ahead and do a buy on crude oil. Okay, let's go ahead and do a buy directly. All right, I think a buy directly might be okay. Maybe. Then don't forget to use stop loss, right? Don't forget to use stop loss for this one. I think we have about 2-3 trades running right now. Okay, that's for crude oil. So if you must take a trade on crude oil this morning, it should be a buy. Even though we have a trend that might just go down, but I think it also gives us a better risk reward ratio to go with buyers this morning, right? Our price has already filled this gap and it's still going strong. So I feel that the price might just return to this brick of structure. It's a brick of structure already. Brick of structure level. It's filled up. So I think the price might just return to this upper blocks right here. Okay, so yeah, I think buy is good enough. And of course, there's a stop loss in place. So go ahead and place a standby and put your stop loss below $81. That's below $81 or thereabouts. Okay, and target anything you want, maybe around $82 or 82.3 or even $3. You can target that on crude oil. Then I'll just go straight and lastly to maybe a DAX. Okay, a DAX. Right. So for DAX, I'm actually looking for sell also or sell opportunity on this one. That's what I'm looking at. Sell opportunity on this one. That's what I'm looking at. So for me to sell, I'll need for the price to return to this level. Okay, that's what I will be looking at, or for the price to complete this structure. Okay. Let's look at this one. Look at this one on that. Wow. Well, I can't really say you should sell because I'm not a fan of selling that. So, but then there are sell opportunities on this chart because our price has gone, way above board. Okay, so there are sell opportunities there, but I cannot really tell you to sell because I'm actually looking to buy also. So, what we can do is to see if we can just look for an opportunity to buy. Let's look at this one, and then we look at something else. I'm going to look at a trend right now. So where can I buy? Let's look at it. Try this. Not yet at the point where I can place a buy. But I think buy limit is good enough. Maybe around this level. Let's see. Let's see. Anywhere around this zone, buy limit is good. Anywhere around this zone. Let's see if I can just reduce it so that you can understand what I mean. Anywhere inside of this box, if price falls to this place, we can place a buy. So even this 1763 points, 1763.4 is good enough. So we can just do buy limit at 1763.4. Give me a sec. All right, so let's see if we can just use this level as our buy limit, 1763.4. Let me share this screen with you. 1763.4. So we can just do that. Buy limit 1763.4. So our take profit can be anything, right? And our stop loss TP SL. So if we do, give me a second. If we do 1763.4, then we can do 1777.0. 1777.0. 17,777. Then our stop loss can be around 1756 to. Okay, so let's look at DAX very fast and do that. Okay, with that, I will just quickly go through comments, look at what we have. So I have a lot of messages coming in, and a lot of them were asking me questions on USD CAD. Sorry again, Imodo and the rest of the team in the house. For that break in transmission, it was all due to network, internet. Okay, it was all internet. So I was here and somebody was asking a question on USD CAD. So let me go to comment section and check. Okay, so somebody said, what is the TP and stop loss for USD CAD? Did I not post it? I don't know. Let me look at USD CAD again. So the take profit for USD CAD is around 1.35238. For the sake of that person, I'm going to go to share and share a whiteboard. So USD CAD, we did buy instant. So there's no price. Then TP was equal to 1.35355. Stop loss is equal to 1.34121. Okay, so that's for USD CAD. Now, somebody was asking me to look at CAD JPY. I don't know what you were doing with CAD JPY, but let's go ahead and check for me. CAD JPY. Have I ever traded this one before? I don't know. CAD JPY. What were you doing at this level? Okay, so CAD JPY, CAD lost very extensively against Japanese yen in recent look on the chart. So that's serious. Okay. So this one is on a key support level of 1 hour, but let's look at monthly charts. With the monthly chart I'm looking at, CAD JPY may just go down. And with the weekly chart also, the same thing. And with the daily chart, almost the same thing. And with the 4 hours pointing down also, but it's very strong downfall at the moment. But CAD is not that lazy. And of course, with 1 hour, same thing. So why don't we look at some reversals then, since the trend is down? Okay, let's look at some reversals. Let's look at the reversal strategy like this one. Okay, this one creates a very good opportunity for people like me to trade. Okay, so what we can do is to wait for this price to get to around this level. Let's wait for it to play around this level. This 108,615. Whatever it gives us, then we can, go ahead and buy. Or if you don't want to wait until you get there, you can do buy limit around this place. Okay. So let's do buy limit around 1 point. Oh, sorry. 108,612. Okay, that will be our buy limit for today. So let's do new order, all of us. New order. Okay. For CAD JPY. Let me clean this one up. Clear my drawings. And use, instead of red pen, why don't I use black pen? CAD JPY. It's JPY. So let's do 108.615 for buy limit. Buy limit. And I think profit could be around, could be solid. It could be around 109. 109 would be 109,015. TP 109,015. What about stop loss? Stop loss could be 108,495. 108, 108,495. Okay, so let's put this everybody. So go ahead and do yours. I've given you the price. Go ahead and execute. This is the buy limit price. Remember, this is the buy limit price. Okay, so that concludes USD or CAD JPY. So any questions, please try to say the time frame. I always use 1 hour. I've been saying this more than 200 times. Everybody asks me what time frame. I said I'm a day trader and my favorite time frame is 1 hour. Okay, so I might look at other time frames as you are seeing me working, but my decisive time frame for me to use is actually 1 hour. Now, USDJPY, I don't know what to do with USDJPY. I've not checked it. Okay. Please, what is the stop loss for USD CAD? Oh, wow. Okay. US 100 euro pound is not, could not stand. What is euro pound could not stand? What is the meaning of euro pound could not stand? Don't know it. So a lot of people were raising hand. But there's a top code resistance at the point. Should we ignore it? Don't know. Okay, I saw a lot of questions, but I don't know which one to answer. Now, somebody says I should look at the USD JPY. I don't know why I don't like looking at USD JPY, but for the sake of him or her, let's look at USD JPY very fast. Okay, so USD JPY, here we go. We're going to open the chart to USD JPY very fast. Based on what I can see here also, like I said Japanese yen is going to go strong. That means US dollar has, outlived its usefulness around this level. But then if it turn around and break, well, it could be bye-bye to the downside of USDJPY. But for now, USDJPY has reached a monthly resistance. Okay, so we're expecting what? A downfall. All right, so same thing as gold, all right? Even gold. Gold has recently hit a monthly resistance also. Where is that gold? I thought I have gold somewhere. And then I also think that gold, gold and Japanese yen have positive correlation. I'm still looking for gold. Okay, gold. So gold has reached monthly resistance also. So we're expecting a backtrack. That means we're expecting a sell. I think we already have a sell on this one. All right. I think so. So we're expecting money on this one today. And they give us a better risk reward ratio, like I mentioned. So going back to Japanese yen that we're discussing, let me close this one. Let me close this one so that we can have a view of going down is good. Good. Crude oil. We have done that. Let me just go to this part and look at USDJPY. So USDJPY, I think it's going to go down. I think so. So what we can do is to look for a sell opportunity. And one of such way we can get it is to look at our Fibonacci to see where to retrace to on 1 hour. So if we look at 1 hour chart, we can see a downfall. And if we draw a Fibonacci from the move of from the recent move, this is the recent move. So we know that this Japanese yen, if it's going to retrace at all, it's going to retrace back to. If it's going to continue to go down, since we cannot sell at the moment, price is down. We want to wait for the price to return to this Fibonacci level. So what we can now do is to zoom in and look at possibly areas of interest that we can look at to trade from. One of such is the topic I'm going to be teaching today in the advanced class in Raleigh Academy Lagos. We're going to be looking at this kind of area. That one is mitigated already. Okay, so we can look for more area. I don't know if I can just go to MT5 and show you something. I want to see if I can just use the opportunity to introduce an indicator that I have of recent that I can also use. Okay, so I'm going to share my MT5 screen with you very fast, I mean. So I'm going to go to USD Japanese yen majors market, USDJPY, and I'm going to apply this indicator, very simple indicator that I have right here. Okay, so so what area can I now trade USD CAD from? Sorry, USDJPY. So since I draw my Fibonacci right now, let's see if I can just draw Fibonacci retracement from this level up to this level. Sorry. That hand or what? Wow. Second. All right, so let me zoom out and then draw Fibonacci from this level. This level. So what are the areas that I can now sell Japanese yen from? Let's check it out. So this one is mitigated already. I think this one is good enough. So let's zoom this one out. Let's bring this one in. No. Go ahead and delete. I don't know if I just click on to customize. Oh, permit me to just bring in something to look at this. Right? So let me draw this one here. This is the area I'll be interested in selling from on USD CAD, or sorry, USDJPY. So if price can fall to this 148, between 148, 420, and maybe 148. One second. Yeah, if the price gets to this zone that I just painted, around 148, 420, thereabouts. If price gets 148, 420, you can sell. So we can put sell limit. Let me go back to MT4. So if I put 148,420, let me check. 148,420, something like this. 148,420. I'm expecting to sell USDPY from this level. That painted level, 148.33 something. So if price gets back to this level, you can sell. Guaranteed you make money. If price get back to this level, from USDPY, you can sell. So it means that we can set our sell limit around this level. And so we can do new order. And we can do, instead of instance, we do pending for Japanese yen. Okay, Japanese yen. And then we do, instead of buy limit, we do sell limit. And then we put the price, say 148,332, 148, or even 148,420 is fine. 148,420. Then our stop loss is 420. Our stop loss can be around this or above 61. That's 149. Maybe 149,260 thereabouts. Okay. Or maybe let me just use cross here to check this level. Maybe 149,100. 149,100. Thereabouts. So 149,100 is fine. Our stop loss 149,100. 149.100. Then our take profit, don't forget, our take profit can be even around 146.9, maybe 920. 146.920. 146.920. Okay, so we do a place. Now, before I place it, I want to share the information with you for USD JPY. Clear drawing. So we are doing USD Japanese yen. And what we want to do here is sell limit, because we're interested in selling. Since the trend is down, right? Sell limit. So now what price? At what price? That's the next thing. And that price is 148,420. That's the price we want to sell from. 148,420. Wait, let me clear that one. Before somebody will say, I'm not seeing what you're handwriting. 148,420. Now our take profit is 146,920 TP. 146,920. And our stop loss equal to 149,100. I think that's simple enough. So go ahead and copy all those informations and put on your chart and place those trades. With that, I'm going to be putting a stop for today's conversation here. And of course, I will open the channel for you people to be able to ask me questions, maybe one person or two. So right now, I've already unmute. So you can just unmute yourself and talk to me. Isaac, I don't understand. Oguike. Phoebe. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
I'm listening. Good morning.
Okay. Sorry, I don't have much questions. Thank you for the chart analysis. It's just that the stop loss should, in case there is a breakout, it can just stop us out, Abi?
Yes, that's the meaning of stop loss. Should, in case the trade does not go your way, you should stop the trade from making more losses.
Okay. That's what I really want to know.
Which place are you calling me from, Phoebe?
I'm in Port Harcourt.
Hallelujah. How is that weather?
Fine, sir.
And I will say your governor, Fubara.
We are managing.
Okay, please manage him. He appears to be nice. Please, he's buying cold bottled water from the street. It's all right. Thank you. Any other person? One more person. Go ahead. The person.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Your name is Emmanuel?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Hello.
Yes, my name is Emmanuel.
Go ahead.
You can hear me, sir?
Loud and clear.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to ask why. Okay. I wanted to ask, you did all other instrument or currencies, but you didn't respond to our request to do US.
What's your request?
My request was that you should look at US 100.
US 100.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
what you want? Is that what will make you happy?
Yes, sir. It's very, very happy.
Okay. Just for you to be happy, let's look at US 100. Very briefly, I think US 100 will still go up. And so if I were you, I'll be looking for buy opportunities. That means my favorite time indicator to be looking for to trade US 100 should be a reversal signal that will show me that price wants to go up. One of such reversal signal is an elastic band like Bollinger Band. So right now the price seems to want to go up. Okay. So if you are interested in jumping in and jumping out very fast, you can go ahead and place a buy trade. New order buy. Now that's of what. Let's try again. Okay, executed. Now that one is executed, your take profit can be anything you want according to your grid. Can be anything, can be loud. Okay, maybe at this level. But your stop loss should be very tight, okay, because the price is up. So you can just use this kind of stop loss. If you don't want to use that indicator, you can just use something else, something like maybe a support and resistance indicator. And anytime price fall back to support, you can buy. Now, at the moment on this support and resistance indicator, the price is close to this verified support. So you can do buy limit around that place. Buy limit. You can even do another buy limit around this untested support, buy limit. And you can do a lot of buy limit on this chart. Can you see code support, buy limit? So anywhere you see support on US 100, go ahead and do what? Go ahead and buy. Now, what about selling? I'm not a prophet of doom, but I'm not a seller of US 100. I'm a buyer of US 100. I like to buy it all the time. Okay, so wherever I see support, I'm going to be doing buy limit. That means anytime price falls to that level, it can take me in as a buyer, then I should be in money. All right, so that's my honest opinion on US 100. So if you give me sell signal, I will not sell. Give me buy signal, yes, I'll buy. Okay, so any questions on this one?
Sorry, please, sir. Where can we get the support and resistance indicator?
Thank you, sir.
Free. The support and resistance indicator you're looking at is free, 100% free. What I can do, since you are on the comment section, are you on your phone or laptop?
I'm on my phone, sir.
I don't know if you can download it, but I can give you guys.
I have a laptop.
And maybe you should join this chat with your laptop.
Okay. Well, can we get the link so we can download it on
I want to
laptop?
even drop it right now. What I
Okay,
want
sir.
to do now is to drop the indicator for you people to use. So I'm going to go here, open data folder to your presence. I'll just go to indicators folder under my MQL4. And I can give it to you. I can give this one to you people for free. SS support and resistance. I think it's somewhere down. Okay, so let me see if I can just drop it on this position.
Okay,
I just
sir.
drop it right now. So you can download it. That support and resistance, you can download it. And if you are using laptop for this composition, you can just copy it and paste on your download folder under MQL4. All right. So when you click on file, open data folder. Okay. Then you go to MQL4. Then you look for indicators folder. Then you paste the file there. It's an EX4 file. And then when you restart your MT4, you can go ahead and I can just give you a guide. I can just give you guys a guide. Right. So say I'm going to go to share. That file I just dropped for you guys. Let me show you how to install it. So you go to file on your laptop, open Data. Do that. Then you go to MQL4. When you get there, you go to, from there, you go to indicators. Then you drop the file, paste. Then you restart your computer or restart your MT4. Start MT4. When that one is done, by the time you come back live to your MT4, you now go to chapter 2. You now want to put the indicator on your chart, on your screen, on your laptop. You now go to indicators. Indicators. Now indicators should be, let me see where indicator is. When you go to insert, when you get to insert, let me go back a little bit. So when you get back to your laptop, you click on insert. You go to indicators. Go to custom. Okay. When you get to custom, look for that SS support and results, or something like this, SS support assistance original, something like that. So just insert it on your screen. You just double click it, just insert on your screen. When it's insert on your chart, that's the background you want anyway, because that should be on the background you want. You can't do it on any background you don't like. Okay. So if you are a favorite of white background, view, you can do it on white background. If you're a favorite of black background, you can do it on black background. And by all means, when you do that, the indicator should show on your screen, and then you can save it. Okay. So to save it, just go to there's an icon we call template icon on your screen on MT4. So when you get to that place, just click on that icon, and then you can click on save templates. Okay, so that you can use it for another event. I think that's, I don't know, my handwriting is not that legible. I understand. So just manage it. Okay, so let's go back to where we were, right? This is where we were. Okay, so you can use this indicator anytime you want. All right. Thank you very much. Any other questions? Any question?
Yes.
There was a gap this morning. How do we trade the gap? Which instrument are you looking at? SLG.
US 100.
Somebody on it. Is there a gap on US 100?
Yes.
Okay. Let's look at it. US 100. Then we go to candlestick. Oh yeah, show me the gap. Where's the gap now? I mean, I cannot see gap on the screen. Where's the gap? I cannot see it too.
Wow.
Please control Y. Where's the gap? Cannot see gap. Okay, so maybe this person means something else. I don't know. The only chart I'm viewing today with the gap is oil, and of course it's already in profit for us. So we pick a trade buy on it, and it's in profit. So another thing, you saw that me are not seeing, it's not my fault. Okay, so basically that's the trade today, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us on this conversation. And of course, I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.